I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and device so the change sticks. Update Monkey, then grant location and network permissions so it can read GPS or IP. Once done, sign into your account and open the app's profile or settings area where location options live. Make sure background location is allowed. Otherwise, the app will keep old coordinates. This initial setup prevents permission conflicts and ensures the app can register any location change you make next. Next, you change the actual location. In Settings, find Location or Discovery options and pick Manual or Custom Location. Then enter the city name, ZIP code, or drop a pin on the map and confirm. This tells Monkey which place to show. If the app still uses your network location, use a reliable VPN set to the same region to align IP-based detection. Make sure to save and restart the app, so both GPS and IP match the new location. Finally, verify the change and finish cleanly. Restart Monkey and check your profile or discovery feed to confirm the new location appears. If it doesn't, clear the app cache or data and sign in again, or reinstall the app to remove stale settings. If problems persist, toggle device GPS off and on, or switch the VPN server to the same area. Make sure no other mock location apps are active. This troubleshooting step resolves most conflicts between GPS, IP, and app data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.